Thank you.
हेलो। सो जैसे सुमित जी ने बताया, रेटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्राइसिंग ऑफ द फंड। सो मैं जस्ट थोड़ा सा मे बी रेटिंग क्या है, रेटिंग इज़ अ ओपिनियन ऑन द क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस ऑफ अ कंपनी, कि उनकी कितनी क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस है, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ डिफॉल्ट क्या है। रेटिंग करते कैसे हैं, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चन और दी अंडरस्टैंडिंग जिसकी मैं देना चाहूँगा यहाँ पे। सो मैं स्टील सेक्टर लेता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब स्टील को ज़्यादा सब स्टील वाले ही हैं। सो स्टील सेक्टर को जब हम रेट करते हैं तो क्या फैक्टर्स हम देखते हैं। सो देर आर बेसिकली 3 ब्रॉड फैक्टर्स: business factor, financial factor and governance factor. So these are the 3 broad pillars. So business factor में क्या हम देखते हैं? I think the first thing we look at the raw material self sufficiency. So by raw material self sufficiency I mean कि आपका raw material from wherever you are buying, whether there is a supply chain is available, you will not have a trouble in getting the raw material because plant चलाने के लिए cheap, I would say less costly raw material availability is important. Second is the cost position of the company. क्योंकि steel is a commodity market, I can say if you are not doing a very high value added product, there is a large competition in it. So the company whose cost is lower will be benefited in the profitability because selling price is fixed by the market. You cannot fix your selling price. So यहाँ पे company जिसकी cost कम है उनका rating ज़्यादा रहती है क्योंकि उनके profitability ज़्यादा रहती है, क्योंकि वो सेम प्राइस पे बेच रहे हैं एंड कॉस्ट उनकी कम है. सो दैट गिव्स एन एडवांटेज. थर्ड, आई थिंक थर्ड एंड फोर्थ इज डाइवर्सिफिकेशन एंड वैल्यू एडिशन. आई थिंक द सेशन बिफोर दिस वाज डिस्कसिंग इन डिटेल व्हाई डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, प्रोडक्ट डाइवर्सिफिकेशन एंड वैल्यू एडिशन ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट इज important because that gives you more profitability and cushion from the volatility. Since you have a diversification, say one of the industry is not working properly, say infrastructure is not doing good or the real estate is not doing good, and your product is going to say auto, real estate, infrastructure, all 3-4 industries. So one industry not doing good, your product will still be sold to the other industry. So that way diversification is important and value addition is customization of the product. So उसमें आपकी profitability ज़्यादा रहती है. Now coming to financial parameter, I think Sumit ji has touched upon it. Your financial performance should be good. We also look at the financial performance. वहाँ पे there are 2-3 things which we look at. EBITDA per ton, which is important. Because if the prices has gone up for a steel, cost of raw material also goes up in line with it. So maybe your margin will be go up or down, but EBITDA per ton is something we look at, which should be constant. मतलब per ton steel sell पे what is the profit you are making, that is more important rather than the margin, because margin can be seen volatile because of the prices going up or down. And lastly, we look at the net leverage, which is debt to EBITDA. How much debt you have taken and what is the EBITDA you are earning. That is the cash profit which a company is earning and in how many years they will be able to repay all their debt, including the interest payment. Lastly, we look at the governance. So governance is very important. Like Sumit ji also touched upon that, they look at the promoter background, governance, the financial information which a company is providing, the strategy of the management, how well they are disclosing the strategy and they are following it going forward. Now coming to ESG, I think sir touched upon the ESG into rating. So even though we are not authorized as of now to do a ESG rating, but in our rating, we do factor in the E, S and G component. Like I talked about governance. How we do it is there is a disclosure which is there in our rating rationale where we talk about whether the ESG factors are relevant, minimally relevant or highly relevant. If a factor is highly relevant, then that factor, the E or S or G factor is driving the credit rating, means uski wajah se rating is either getting down or up. Similarly, if it is relevant, that is one of the factor which is driving the rating, and if it is minimally relevant means there is no impact because of ESG on the rating of a company. So ESG